Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and we're back here with another great video on the channel. So this weekend coming up, the first full weekend of February. So now it's February the 3rd today, 2026. So this coming weekend is the EUDX Contest. It is one of my favorite contests of the year because I like to work a lot of Europe on ham radio. So this gives me a chance to work all the European Union countries. Well, it actually lets me work the world. But you get 10 points for every EU country that we work here from Canada. And then the points, go down for working in your own country, working other countries that are not EU. Anyway, it's a fun contest. I enjoy it. I did really well on it last year. I think I finished 5th place in the entire world on it. I'll put a certificate here. And it's a fun. If you're into contesting, it's a lot of fun. It starts at 1200 UTC on Saturday and just runs for 24 hours. It's one of those nice short contests, 24 hours. Again, it starts at 12 noon UTC and finishes at 12 noon UTC on Sunday. So you can have your entire Sunday to go to church, go out for breakfast, do whatever you need to. It's not one of these weekend contests that consume the whole weekend, and it's definitely not WWA that consumes the whole month. But there you go, EUDX Contest. I'll put a link in the pinned comment below. Go and check it out. It's a lot of fun. If you hear me calling CQ Contest this weekend, feel free to give me a shout. If you're in North America, in the EU, wherever you are in the world, give me a call. Love to hear from you. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. We'll see you on the airwaves. Take care from beautiful New Brunswick, where it's a nice winter day here today.